My name is Sakshi Khurana and I'm a Pro90d speech coach. In this video, I will be speaking with you about the differences between traditional speech therapy and Pro90d. So let's start with how traditional speech therapy and Pro90d look at stuttering and stammering, or how do they perceive stuttering and stammering. So speech therapy looks at stuttering and stammering as disorders, as impediments, or as disabilities that need to be treated or cured. So clearly there's this idea that stuttering and stammering are disorders that need to be treated, right? But Pro90d, on the other hand, looks at stuttering and stammering as disfluent ways of speaking, or these are learned styles of speaking that can be unlearned and transformed. They can actually be replaced by a smoother way of speech. So in a way, we look at stuttering and stammering as habits, as speaking habits. They're not fixed, right? They're not something that needs to be treated or cured, but they're just learning styles that can be replaced or that can be transformed. That's one difference. The second difference is that speech therapy focuses on the physiological aspect of speech. It gives you tools and exercises and skills that you can use to reduce the amount of stuttering and stammering that you're experiencing. Pro90d, on the other hand, not just equips you with tools, speaking styles, and skills that you can use while speaking. So there is definitely a physiological focus. At the same time, there's a psychological focus as well. So we also work on how you look at yourself as a speaker. Do you look at yourself as a stutterer or stammerer, or do you look at yourself as an excellent speaker? So when we transform the psychological identity behind speaking, we're able to complement the physiological part as well. And so Pro90d is a holistic way of transforming your speech. If you want to know more about Pro90d, you can visit our website pro90d.com. Thank you so much for watching this video.